What up, y'all? Got the console, fitting to start, got the paint, got the sandpaper. I'm gonna take it apart, start painting some stuff, baby. Center console swap, here we come. Pulled that part off. Eventually we'll take that out and put a plate here with some switches. And here we go. Take it apart, clean it up, sand some stuff down, get to painting. Gray is definitely lighter, but we might have to get some paint. We get some bumper paint for the inside's gonna be black. Use some bumper paint for it. And the main thing about this console is it goes all the way up. Plenty of storage. Super excited. Let's get to painting. Got a 220 grit sponge. Just lightly going over this. That's it. And so I did a light sand with some 220 grit. And here we go. Primer gray. Base coat. Not too shabby. Let's get the other side in front right here. I'm not sure if we're just gonna go with this color right here or use this as a primer and go grab a different gray. I like this gray, so we'll just have to see once I get a couple coats on it and it dries how I feel about it. This right here, I'm probably about to tape off, even though we're not going to use it. I don't want it to look all spray painted up. So I might try to take it apart. I don't know if it pops open, if there's bolts or what, but I might just tape that off. Not too shabby for the first round. All right, we're gonna let that dry for a while and repeat. I'm gonna tape the back off while it's drying and paint it. Trim my bumper paint on the insert piece with cup holders, cubby hole. We'll paint it all black. And over here, we looking right. That's really about 2 coats because as it was drying, I touched up some streak spots. But we looking right. What you think, that redfish? That's redfish. All right. Looking right. Get away from that paint. You're gonna slide his tail down the side of it for me, probably. All right. Going super light. Ooh, that's super heavy though. I want to go super light and then come back. But I'll get the drift. I mean, watching spray paint can't be that entertaining. But we're coming. Ooh. Stuff kind of splatters on you. Super light, and then we'll come back with some thicker strokes later on. Redfish, chill. You want to be in the video that bad? But so far everything's going smooth and turning out good, but I'm gonna get off this camera so I can really focus and get everything prettied up, kind of get the drift here of what we're doing. And yeah, get away from that. I'm gonna have to run him off. You're gonna get fired, boy. All right, guys, here's the insert. Came out great. Again, I used bumper and trim paint for it. There's a rubber insert that goes in here and rubber insert cup holders as well. And this thing just came out perfect, man. Smooth as could be, no runs. Looks great. Can't wait to get this baby in. So we're gonna let it sit for a while. Probably won't be today that we get it in. We're gonna pull out the other one. So next video will probably be pulling out the old console and putting this butte in. Lid's still gonna be tan until I figure out if I'm gonna go red. Probably gonna go black with it. But I'm thinking about just, instead of painting it, to go, hush redfish, to go and, you know, put a whole new fabric on it maybe. That'd be sweet. Yeah, so that's where we're at. Y'all, please subscribe and hang out for the journey. Got a lot more coming for that guy. See y'all on the next one.